again with another banger for y'all. Today we got some good update finally. As you can see, I'm riding in my girl's car though. I'm riding passenger princess because my car is down. We are heading to Portals right now to get something. You know, it's for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's the next day, but after that, we are gonna go pick up this time cover that I found that's close to LA. So we are gonna pick it up and hopefully it's in good condition. The guy told me it was in good condition, so hopefully it is. And if we do cop it, we could start the build again, like resume on the build, and finally it'll have some progress, you know. But yeah, we're gonna check that out, and I'll let y'all know when we get there and show y'all the time cover, see if it's good or not. All right, so we're back. I didn't get a record when I got there just because we were in a rush. My girl had to go do something, you know, but we got the time cover, as you can see. I don't know, to me it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna change the gasket from my gasket onto this time cover that I just got. I got it off of 392. It is gonna fit. I already checked and everything. So we're just gonna slap that on right now. First, I'm gonna try to take off the gasket, slap on mine, and we're gonna start just putting stuff in. That guy that I got the time cover from, he does a lot of Hellcat swaps, and he works on a lot of Mopars and all that stuff. So if you want him to work on your car, I'm gonna put his ad right here on the screen. He does very good work, and I'm gonna have him do the wiring on this build, just because I don't know how to do the wiring at all. So I'm gonna just have him do it. He already knows about it. He named the parts, the smooth booster, IET sensor, and all that stuff. He said he could do it, so I'm gonna let him do that. But I'm gonna put on everything else. He did not quote me, so I don't know. But yeah, let's get straight into it because I'm tired of the car just sitting here and I need to make some progress. It's bugging me. So let's get straight to it. I'll update y'all on where I'm at, like when I remember. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll update y'all. All right, so as of right now, we just sold the DW400 fuel pump to some guy, made 320 off of that. I told y'all if y'all wanted like parts that I'm selling, bro, y'all can hit me up and I'll actually sell them. Like the Hellcat injectors, I told y'all I was selling those. People been hitting me up but don't follow through with it. Yeah, man, I also got the 525 Hellcat fuel pump thing as well. It's compatible for E85, so if y'all want that, I'm selling that for $250. Let me know and I'll sell it to y'all, bruh. Just hit me up in my DMs, either TikTok, Instagram, anywhere, bruh, and I'll give you a price. I'll ship it out too, but you will have to pay the shipping price. I'm not gonna pay that, but yeah, man, how you call it? Oh yeah, as of right now, I was gonna say, we got the water pump on. I had to clean it out a little bit because it was kind of dirty, and from the previous mechanic trying to weld it, all like the little weld pieces and like the metal shavings were on there, so I had to clean it. I used brake cleaner and wiped it down and everything, and the time cover as well, had to wipe it down and everything. It had some oil on it, so I cleaned that off. We got the water pump on. We only got some screws on just because these long screws don't go all the way through. It goes attached to the block, so I'm gonna put on the time cover, then put on these long bolts, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm getting ready to put it on. I'm gonna move this little pump out the way, or whatever you want to call it, out the way, put it up here and try to wiggle this in here, man. I'm gonna struggle a bit. I know I'm gonna struggle, but we're gonna get it out. We're gonna get it out. I mean, we're gonna get it in. My bad. We're gonna get it in. No diddy. But yeah, I'm gonna jump right into it and I'll show y'all the outcome. All right, y'all. It's the next morning. Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to you, your family, all that, you know. But we grinding. Before I leave, I'm gonna go somewhere. But before I leave, I got up in the morning and try to hop on the car real quick. As you can see, we got the time cover on. I was having a little bit of a struggle last night for the alternator part, and then that pump over there. Yeah, we were AC pump, I think it's called. But yeah, we were I was struggling a bit, you know. I had my brother help me out, but we got it. I was struggling with the 2 bolts for the alternator. They're on this side, and yeah, on that side I lost a nut. I had to put one on that I had for right here. I don't know if y'all seen right there. Yeah, I lost it. My bad. It fell. I couldn't find it no more. I don't know if it like fell between a crack. It did not fall into that block. I'm pretty sure of it. But I'm not sure if it fell like very snugged in somewhere or like on the floor where I can't see it. I don't know, but I couldn't find it no more. So I just put on another one, a spare one that I had right there. Hopefully it's nowhere where it'll make the car or it'll affect the car, you know. But yeah, as you can see, we got the time cover back on. We are back in the game, boys. So as of right now, I'm gonna try to put on the pulley adapter kit. This time very gentle with these bolts, because these bolts are they're not like high quality, you know. But yeah, we're gonna be very gentle with them. Get that on there, see how much I could get done before I leave, and I'll update y'all before I take off to where I got to go today. Alright, so it's getting close to me leaving already, but we did get some progress done. As you can see, we got the pulley adapter kit on. I had to improvise a bit just because these bolts aren't at the right measurements as they're supposed to be. But what I did was I put like this little washer thing. Yeah, what's the point of gloves, huh? Yeah, I know. I put like some little long washer thing, and it got that tight on there because without this washer thing, it was sticking out like way over here, and this was just like wobbly all over the place. So I had to put that on there. It was laying around, so I just put that on there. It's pretty snug, not in the way or nothing neither. It's pretty cool. And then on this one, I had to put double washer just because it was loose. So this one would like come in and out like that, no homo. And yeah, I couldn't find a way to get it tight, so I was like, you know what, let me just put like double washer, and yeah, it's sitting on there pretty tight. But yeah, we got the pulley adapter on. As you can see, it's tight on there, shaking the whole car. But we're gonna see how it holds up once we put that boost on it. But yeah, so as far as we got the timing cover on, pulley adapter on. Now I do have to do the pin kit, the harmonic pulley right here, or the harmonic pulley. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. My bad. I just woke up, bro. I have having brain farts. But we have to drill the pin kit into this, or where it goes right there, wherever you understand, if you know what a pin kit is. Yeah, I have to drill that in. I'm kind of like debating if I should do that myself or not, but yeah, we have to do that. What else do we got to do? We still got to tighten up this side. This side is loose. I can't get to the bolts. I just can't because it's very tight. But this side is good. Yeah, making progress finally. And then I'm gonna have to drill this on somewhere. Oops, I have to drill that on somewhere. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but my bad, my neighbors. But I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna get that on there. And then the water pump is gonna go right here in this little section. Then we'll get the water pump on. We could get the tubes, the hoses in, and we should be almost close to done. Now, like I said in the beginning, the wiring, the other guy's gonna do it just because he already knows how. So I'm gonna just let him do the wiring. I don't want to mess that up and burn down the car, you know. But yeah, we made some progress last night and this morning. I give this a thumbs up, you know. We also got these from CFR Performance. These are like the little blockout plates for the sensors. So I might put one, I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but this has a lot of sensors, so we're not gonna need all of them. So I might just block off some of them with these. That's what these are for. And this is a thermostat. This thermostat, I bought it a while back. It was messed up. Like, it wouldn't open and close how it should be doing. So I had to take it off. It was just overheating my car. And yeah, it basically came like defective. So took that off. And yeah, man, everything is just like put back together type thing. Next video will probably be part 4. I think it's part 3. And yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all on the next banger.